Hello everyone, we welcome you to Routee platform. In this video we're going to show you how you'll be able to use the feature of link to SMS. The only thing you have to do is just go into services and click on SMS messaging. Then we just have to select the group we would like to push our message. Proceed with next button. Once again, next button. We give a name to our campaign, for example, test 300. In here we set the sender ID of our message. And in here we will insert the shortening URL, clicking on the first insert link button. We go to our original website or the website we would like to push to our campaign and copy paste the link in here. We click on shorten and append. And as we can see, the link is already shortened with much less characters, enabling us to provide more rich content using more words for the rest of our purposes. And we click confirm and send. This feature will lead us to a much more enriched report for our campaign, enabling us to see how many of our recipients clicked on the link we have entered. So, clicking on finish, and the message is going to be terminated in our mobile. Here it is. I have not clicked on the link yet, so we are on the campaigns module and clicking on the view analytics in our test campaign. And in here, as you can see, this is the link we had entered in our content. So here's the number of clicks, and that was it. I think that it's a very easy procedure. I hope you liked this video. Hope to see you soon.